I just used Clay's new AI feature to build an entire end-to-end Clay workflow in under 10 minutes with natural language. Now I'm going to try and beat my own score using just these two hands, so to speak, mouse and keyboard, no natural language, to see if Sculptor actually speeds up the process of building Clay tables or just gets in the way. You can see here, my last table was built with Sculptor, and I have the video on LinkedIn and on YouTube if you want to watch it, so you can compare against the results from this video. But you can see here we have a company table with domain record ID, company name, company LinkedIn URL enrichment, employee count, URL, company LinkedIn URL. We have a revenue waterfall, company address, and company summary, as well as the industry classification. Now, the rules for this video are I can only use these two hands. I am going to use ChatGPT to write some prompts using my voice talking to ChatGPT, because I do that anyway when I'm building in Clay without Sculptor. That was possible before Sculptor hit the market, which is Clay's new AI building assistant. So I'm going to do that, but I'm not going to actually use Sculptor to build the Clay table. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the company name import. So I'm going to say company name. We're going to add the company domain import column as well, domain, and then we're going to add the record ID here as well. Okay. Next up, we're going to populate this with some dummy data. So I'll say sendoso.com, and then record ID is 1, which is a fake ID. Now we're going to go ahead and enrich company to get their LinkedIn data right here. Okay, boom. And we're going to pull out employee count, and we're going to pull out their LinkedIn company URL right there. Okay, so boom. I don't want this actually. I already have this, so we're just going to get their company LinkedIn URL. Okay, great. Now, oh, this is messed up. Sorry, bug. And then we want employee count. Where's employee count? There we go. Okay, great. So now I have employee count as well. Next up, we're going to go ahead and get the address. So we're going to do a Claygent prompt for that. We're going to use 4.0 mini. And I'm going to go to GPT to build my prompt here, okay? So here we go. Please build a prompt for Clay's research agent that can, based on a company's domain only, research the company and look for their headquarters address using the standard US mail postal code format with a JSON output that has street, city, state, with the state abbreviated with 2-letter code like MD or CA, and the country being fully spelled out like United States, not just USA or US, but United States. And then output the result in JSON format according to the US postal code. Okay, so now we have this here. I'm gonna say turn this into a prompt for Claygent. We're gonna hit enter, and then we're gonna wait for this to go. It's probably going to be pretty good. Okay, here we go. Grab all of this. We're gonna go back to Clay, and we're going to dump. Oh, whoops! No, I don't want any of this. 4.0 mini, and we're gonna dump this in, and then I'll say here is your input, and I'll say domain, and then I'll say company name, and I'll say name. Okay, great. Now we're gonna use JSON schema generate from prompt to create those columns, and then we're gonna hit run. While that's going, it should be fine. We're gonna create the company summary prompt. Actually, no, we're gonna do a few other things. We're gonna knock out revenue. How am I doing on time? Only 3 minutes. Company revenue, great. And we're gonna remove this from the waterfall, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna run that. I'm also gonna go for marketing employee headcount. I forgot if I did that in the last video or not, but I was supposed to. So we're gonna go for marketing, or say headcount, and we'll see if we can get headcount by title over here, employee count by criteria, and we're gonna open this up and job title keywords. I'll just say marketing, marketing, demand generation, and growth. Okay, and then add fields, roll count, and hit go. How are we doing on the? Okay, great. We have street, we have city, we have state, and we have country, and we have postal code. So we have everything we need right here. Fantastic. I'm not ordering this because I'm trying to beat the clock, but I have all the data. There's revenue range, there's the head count, and all we need left is the industry classification. So We're going to go to for Omini and we're going to say, I think I just need something. Okay, one second. Back to GPT. Now I want you to create a Claygent prompt that just takes a company domain, goes to the website, and creates a concise company summary paragraph that explains what they are, who they sell to, what kind of company they are, their target customer, their products and services. And we're going to use this summary for use in an industry classification prompt later on. So be sure to be descriptive enough, knowing the use case of your output. Okay, so now we're holding at 5 minutes. So here we go. Gonna just grab this and okay, great. Awesome. Back to Clay. So we're going for the 4.0 mini output here, and then I'll say input, and we're gonna add the domain here, and then we're gonna run this. And then while that's going, we're gonna go ahead and grab the prompt that we need. Okay. Please create an AI prompt using GPT 4.0 that can essentially take a company summary and then assign the most relevant industry based on this list. Okay, my video died because my camera overheated. I'm gonna try and turn it back on and just push this thing to the limit for a second here. Yeah, we're back and blurry. Okay. Here we go. And we're gonna go ahead and run this, and then we're gonna be done with this workflow. We're holding at 6 minutes and 40 seconds, even with the camera malfunction. Oh, I forgot to use, oh no. Here we go. Run one more time. We should be in good shape. And there we go. Industry is other, which I agree with. Okay, so there you have it. We did this all in 7 minutes and 12 seconds. That's the final time here. I'm going to go ahead and show you. So we did this a few minutes faster than Clay. I think building a real Clay workflow obviously is much more nuanced than what you see here. And a real Clay workflow that's in depth for a real customer would take probably hours. Would Sculptor actually help? Maybe, maybe not. I think in future iterations it could, and I actually have certain use cases in mind that it's great for. I actually posted a video, or will post a video recently. I've recorded a video showing specific cases where creating annoying function columns is very useful with the Sculptor prompt. You can tell it what to do, and it will just sort of get you more than Clay's AI formula generator. It's much faster and easier. But building entire Clay tables, I think we still have ways to go before Clay's Sculptor feature is really ready for that. I built it faster myself. It didn't really speed me up. If anything, it kind of slowed me down. But I think in the future, it has a lot of potential. So looking forward to see where this goes.